Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Home DIY, where we explore the world of interior design and bring you expert tips to transform your living space into a place of style and comfort. In today's video, we are diving into the heart of your home, the living room. It's a space where you unwind, entertain, and make memories with your loved ones. So, let's make it truly special. We have guided you through some amazing living room interior design ideas that will leave you inspired and ready to create a space you will adore. Your living room should be a heaven of comfort and relaxation. Considering investing in posh, cozy furniture that invites you to sink in and unwind. Sofas and chairs with soft cushions and throw adds an inviting touch, while a warm color palette can make the special feel cozier. Don't forget to incorporate a coffee table for that finishing touch. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your living room. Natural light is the top priority. Embrace large windows or strategically placed mirrors that bounce light around the room. For evenings, go for layered lighting with a mixture of ambient task and ancient lights. Think floor lamps and table lamps and even LED strips to added drama. Color can transform a room, and it's essential to choose the right shades of your living room spaces. Soft, natural, like white, grays, beiges, are timeless choices. But don't be afraid to add a pop of color with ancient pillow artwork or a statement piece of furniture. Be sure the colors you choose resonate with your personal design. Clutter can quickly spoil the look of your living room. Look for furniture with built-in storage or invest in stylish shelves units. A clutter-free space not only look better but also enhance the sense of calm and scenery in your living room. Your living room is a reflection of your personality and interests. Add personal touches like family photos, artwork, or decorative items that resonate with you. Your living room should tell your story, creating a space that's uniquely yours. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to create your living room that reflects your style and promote relaxation. So embrace the interior design ideas and make your living room a space where you truly love to live. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. Thank you.